how to withdraw money from Cointiply to Binance. So the steps are so simple to follow. Now open up now your Binance app. After you open Binance, now go to assets. From the assets section, go to deposit. After you come to this deposit, go and search for the prepaid coin you want to withdraw from your Cointiply. So let's say for me, I want to withdraw BTC from the Cointiply. So after you select BTC like this now, or USD, so go and select the network. So for me, I will use Binance Smart Chain network. After you select the network like this, now tap on this copy button to copy the address. After you copy the address now from your Binance, now go back and open up now the Cointiply app. So after you open the Cointiply app, all you have to do now, log into Cointiply, click on withdrawal coins, choose your prepaid cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. For me, I have already chosen BTC. So from there, paste in your Binance deposit address that you copy. So enter the amount you want to withdraw, confirm the transaction, wait for the confirmation. Cointiply withdrawal usually takes a few hours to a few days, depending on the network congestion. Once the withdrawal is processed, check your Binance wallet for the funds. That's it guys on how to withdraw. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.